This is a 5-watt Kustom Defender tube amp, and I'm going to show you how to add this, making a master volume. So basically, this turns up and down my preamp, and then this turns up and down my power amp. So what I'm able to do is turn my preamp all the way up, distorting it, and then turn down my power amp so I can get distortion at low levels. It's a pretty easy mod. So essentially you get a 250K pot variable potentiometer. I hooked one wire up to this, one wire up to this, the middle one, and this outside one. And I'll show you here. There's my flashlight. So there it is. And those wires go over to R8. What I did is I removed the 220K resistor in R8, and I replaced it with that potentiometer, and that's all you have to do. Really simple mod. You could just clip the resistor and solder onto the top of it. The better way, which is what I did, it's a little bit more work. You've got to unscrew this, and what else did I do? You unclip these wires, put tape so you know where they go, and there's a few screws on the board, and then this pops out and you can get it from underneath, and you can get the wires, and you can unsolder the resistor instead of clipping it out, and solder the wires in. It's a little nicer job. All I did to remove the top cover was unscrew these screws right here. There's some screws on the side, on the top, and the other side, and then it just came off really easy. And let me show you on the schematic what I did exactly. Okay, here we are. Okay, so I guess this is the power tube, and number R8 right here. So you remove that resistor and put a variable resistor. 250K pot is what I replaced it with, potentiometer. Right there, just clip that out and put it in. It's a pretty easy mod, so good luck on that, guys. And my next mod will be adding a tone stack. So I'm going to have bass, treble, and mid. I'm going to use the tone stack from a Fender twin reverb. I really like the way that sounds. So I'm going to use that tone stack, and I'm thinking of removing this and putting the potentiometers here. I may even have a switch to switch it to a different tone stack. I was thinking about having a Fender tone stack and also a Marshall tone stack to make this more versatile. And let me show you on the schematic what I'd be doing. Right here in the schematic is the tone stack. So I'd be probably clipping it from here to here, and then adding my own tone stack.